Ballet Adage Adage. Cecchetti Ballet Grade 2 syllabus course. 1. Fifth en face. Right foot front combination. On count 1 to 2, introduction, hold position. Counts 3 to 4, tendu right foot devant to corner 1, arms to demi-second. Counts 1 to 2, walk forward on the right, left, hold the arms in demi-second. Count 3, step forward onto demi-point in fifth position with right arms high. Count 4, held the rise and carry the arms to third arabesque, right arm high. Count 4, lower heels maintaining arm lines. Count 6, tendu derrière et terre. Count 7, holds. Count 8, fifth position, close fifth. Count 1, plie. Count 2, chasse. Count 3 to 4, stretch up to third arabesque and hold. Counts 5 to 6, lift in l'air. Tendu on count 7. Count 8, prepare to the other corner with a small développé through the ankle. Much love, Jacklyn Dougherty and Dr. Joni Dougherty, ED.